In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit HTML in Brevo. Editing HTML can sound a bit daunting, especially if you're new to it, but don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be comfortable navigating through the process effortlessly. Brevo is a powerful platform for managing your email marketing campaigns, and knowing how to tweak the HTML can give you that extra level of customization to make your campaigns stand out. To start, you'll want to open your web browser and go to brevo.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Brevo's interface is designed to be user-friendly, so navigating through it should be straightforward. If at any point you're unsure, just take a moment to hover over the options to see what each one does. Now that you're logged in and ready to go, locate the Marketing tab. You'll find this option in the main menu. Clicking on Marketing is your gateway to all the tools you need for creating and managing your campaigns. It's where the magic happens, so to speak. Once you're in the Marketing section, the next step is to click on Campaigns. This will take you to a list of all your current and past marketing campaigns. Here, you can manage your campaigns, see their performance metrics, and, most importantly, select the campaign you want to edit. After selecting your desired campaign, you'll notice an edit icon. This is usually represented by a small pencil or a similar symbol. Clicking this icon allows you to dive into the campaign's details. This is where you can make any necessary changes to the content and settings of your campaign. Now, to get into the HTML editing part, you need to click on Edit Design. This option will open up a more detailed view of your campaign's design. It's here that you have the opportunity to access and modify the HTML code. If you're new to HTML, it might look a bit like a foreign language, but with a little practice, it becomes much more understandable. Editing HTML allows you to customize the appearance and structure of your email beyond the basic template options. You can adjust styles, add custom elements, or even include tracking codes. Just remember to preview your campaign after making changes to ensure everything looks as you intended. A quick tip while editing, consider keeping a backup of the original HTML code. This way, if anything goes awry, you have a fallback option. Also, make sure to save your work frequently to avoid losing any changes. Once you're satisfied with your edits, save the changes and preview your campaign to check how it will appear in your recipients' inboxes. This final step is crucial to ensure that everything from images to text is displayed correctly and that all links are functioning as they should. And there you have it, you've successfully edited HTML in Brevo. With these skills, you can enhance your email campaigns, making them more personalized and effective. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Feel free to explore further and experiment with more advanced HTML elements as you become more comfortable. Happy editing!